In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images in Canva with a simple step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're brand new to Canva or just looking to sharpen your design skills, this guide will help you edit images with confidence. Start by opening Canva in your web browser. If you don't already have an account, it's quick and free to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home interface with plenty of templates and project options. Next, choose the file that contains the image you want to resize. You can open an existing design from your projects or start fresh with a blank canvas and upload an image from your computer. Click on your design to open it in the editor. Now, select the image you want to resize. You'll see a border appear around it, along with small handles on the corners. Simply click and drag a corner handle to adjust the size. To keep the image from stretching or distorting, hold the Shift key while dragging so the aspect ratio stays locked. For more precision, make use of Canva's grid lines and positioning guides. These help you fit your image into the exact space or dimension you need. Take a moment to adjust the placement so everything looks neat and visually balanced. Once you're happy with the size and position, review your overall design to make sure all the elements work together. And that's it. Resizing images in Canva is quick and intuitive.